Everyone is talking about this new SEAL-M campaign, but most players are still approaching it the wrong way because this isn't just another event, it's a shift in how you earn and play. Season 1 is officially done and now we're stepping into the next phase, the Shields X era, and with it comes a campaign that is backed by 300,000 cross. And if you understand how this works early, you're already ahead. So let's break it down in a way that's clear and actually useful. First, let's look at the campaign itself, because the structure here is what makes everything else possible. The campaign is called Season 1 Ends, Shields X Begins. It runs from April 16 to May 14 with a total reward pool of 300,000 cross. But here's what you need to understand. This system isn't just rewarding activity, it rewards impact. Meaning it's not about doing more, it's about doing things better. Now, let's get into the 4 key parts of the campaign because each one gives you a different way to benefit. We start with the airdrop. This is the simplest entry point. You complete tasks and you earn rewards directly. If you're new, this is where you begin. If you're creating content, this works well for quick guides or walkthroughs. It's straightforward and that's exactly why it's powerful. But once you're past the basics, the next part opens up more serious opportunities. Next is Shields X. This is the core game token driving the entire system. You can trade it, interact with it, and it connects directly to the cross ecosystem. If you understand how it moves and how it's used, you're no longer just playing, you're making calculated decisions. This is where strategy really starts to matter. But to get there, you need a source, and that's where the next mechanic comes in. That source is Shields Crystal. This is what you gather while playing. Once collected, you can convert it into Shields X, connecting your in-game effort to actual value. So the loop becomes simple. You play, you collect, and then convert. The more efficient you are here, the more it adds up over time. Now here's the part that's a lot of players ignore, but it can make a big difference. The U part shop. This adds another layer to the campaign. Here you can use what you've earned to access special items, and this can influence your progress. The key here is choosing wisely. Not everything has the same value depending on your goals. So when you look at the full picture, this campaign is not just about participation. It's about understanding how everything connects. With 300,000 cross in the pool, the opportunity is real, but only if you approach it the right way. The Shield X era has started. What you do now determines how much you gain from it.